you might see so many ships here. And you guess what? Today, my genius hour, I'm gonna build a ship. I'm gonna give you the instruction. Also, hi to Miss Cone and Miss Gardelero. So, the first step is we take a piece of paper or construction paper, not too big and not too fat, and we fold it in half nicely. After we fold it in half, we turn it around, and from the middle, we fold it in half again. After we folded it in half, we open it up, and remember, face the opening down, like the part that opens down. Down at yourself or your belly button. And then place this down. You can see a line in the middle. Place all the edges down onto the line. Carefully. They need to be lined up to each other. The other one. Okay. Then we flip one up. Only one page. Only flip one page up on top of it and turn it around. After we turn it around like this, we only flip one page up and then we turn it around. After we turn it around, we put the edges down. Face the edges up. Put them up too. And after all the folding, it should look like mine. And after that, we're gonna use the bottom one and fold it all the way up. So what I was talking was that we only need the bottom one and fold it all the way up. When we open it, it looks like a hat. Like a hat we can wear on. And then we open it up and fold it like this. After we folded it down, we will face this we'll face this all the way up. This part all the way up. After we put this part all the way up like this, you don't flip it anywhere. You just face it all the way up. Flip it all the way up. Then go to the other side and do the same thing. After that, it'll look like this. After that, you'll need to open from the middle and make it into a square, just like before step. Then see these lines? You'll open it up like a present. And after you open it up, it should look like this, a boat. You've made it. So we're gonna put it up and then fold it together like this on the floor, and it'll look like this. And after it, we'll open it up, and it's a boat. If you want to make it stand, look, it can't stand, right? So if you want to make it stand, open the bottom like this and put it down. Now this is a boat. Thank you for watching. Bye.